Hi, in our today's video we're going to be talking about R107 again. If any of my videos helped you repair your car, then please hit the button super thanks. And if you want to be the first one to watch my video as it is fully uploaded, then hit the button join. Thanks. As I promised, I said that after I solve my issue with the trunk, I'm going to proceed with the videos. Well, to tell you the truth, it was a real nightmare. At first, I was just pressing the button, turning the key left, right. No. Simply, there was no way to open the trunk. I could not do that. I did not want to drill the trunk or any other parts on the car, chrome pieces, or the button itself. I was trying everything possible. I was trying to remove the lights for the license plate. And then maybe I thought maybe I could somehow take a screwdriver and then disengage the hook. No, it was not possible. I tried it to do it all the ways because I know this car is vacuum operated. And, well, I thought somehow with a vacuum pump I could suck air in and then force the trunk to open. No. So don't drill your car. Don't make any damage on it when you can everything do with your key. On the whole YouTube, you don't have this kind of an explanation. So let me show you what happens. This is for all the SL owners of the R107. If you ever run into the issue with your trunk that won't open, I opened it, so I'm not going to show you. The thing you're going to do it, how you're going to unlock the jammed trunk, it's going to be with a key. And you're going to stick the key like this, you see? And then you push and you turn the key counterclockwise for about this much. Now you will have to just pull the key towards you, just like this. It's gonna be resistance there. Now the next thing you do, you just move the key just this much. You remove it and you press, and then the trunk should open. As you open the trunk in this kind of a mode, let's call it in an emergency mode, you will be able to open the trunk. Here you have a hook, you see, and here, there, you see. As you press the button, the hook releases this, the mechanism moves the hook and the trunk opens. Bear in mind that when you do this, you will be able to open and close your trunk for about 5 up to 8 times. It was 5 times in my case, and then the hook would not move backwards. And again, you would have to do it with your key. And again, and again. So, a simple fix would be one like this. At first, you remove these 2 screws. So that the carpet is not in your way. You will have to remove these 2 Phillips screws. And now we have 2 more of them, one here and one here. And now you remove simply this lid. Here, this one. And now we come to the issue. So this is the pump. You have one for the doors, and you have one here for this door. This is the second model of R107. So here are those vacuum hoses. This one, yellow red, is for the lock, and the yellow green one is for the unlock. So as you could see, I've managed to solve this issue, and I think I don't ever again repair the pumps and vacuum. This is an easy fix, and I won't be locking the trunk. Why? And here you can solve this with a zip tie. This is that vacuum pump. You can take 2 zip ties, and look now what happens. Look at the magic. So you can take 1 zip tie and you can just pull this rod here. There's a rod here. You can pull it and take 1 zip tie here, and on that same zip tie you take the second one and you position it here. You hold practically on this hole here. Try it. You will see 1 hole here, and then you just tie it with a zip tie, and you're going to solve the problem. Afterwards you get everything back, and that's the solution for your problem. And to be honest with you, I doubt that I'm going to do something on this matter. Important thing for me is that the doors lock and unlock. Here, you see? And unlock. I love the way door closes. And as for the trunk, why would I need the trunk to be locked or unlocked? I mean, really, you know, this is not going to be my daily car. And you know that saying, a temporary solution is the best solution. So you see, it's relatively quick, it's cheap, you need 2 zip ties only for the whole job. And that's it. So, if you liked this video,
please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Then I would kindly ask you not to hit the button skip ad. That is going to help me a lot. And till some next one, happy Mercedesing. Bye.